Assalamualaikum guys, hope you are fine today. We again back in after a long time because we are very busy in our other stuff. That's why. So first of all, sorry for that. And today we have something for you guys again. Unboxing. So guys, guess what inside? No, I told you before that.
I think TV. No, not TV. iPhone. Do I look like a pillow?
Yes.
Pillow.
Let me open it for you guys.
It looks like a pillow.
Okay, guys. If this we have inside football shoes. Oh, this. So what color you want?
Black and gold.
Orange.
There we go.
Yeah!
Football shoes.
Okay, kannst du... Yeah, that's cold. That's cold.
That's hot button.
No, that's too big for me. Ooh,
That's definitely hashing.
that's cold. Ooh. I see Harris. This is my... See, you're 7.
Please
And this is mine.
hold it properly. Wait 1 minute, please.
That's mine. I see
This
the
is
orange.
for
It's mine.
yes.
Mama, we opened it. I can show you. Mama,
CR7, Cristiano Ronaldo,
mine.
Hardest.
Feel this. That's me. Oh.
I can't feel I'm holding the camera.
This is for Haris.
Ooh, let me see. Ooh, that's good.
Nice. Keep it on me, please. Now it's mine. Huh? Where's mine? No. Oh, 1 T-shirt as well.
That's for you.
We didn't order any T-shirt.
Yeah.
You did.
Yeah, you did. I thought. Let me
Oh, trouser.
trouser.
Just only one trouser.
Okay. It's the video.
Oh, that's fire.
No, that's for high Milbilal.
That's the other one.
It's
Okay
finished.
guys, I hope you like our video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.